okay, match the equation with its graph. What I could do is write this in slope-intercept form, and we can examine it that way, but I want to actually do it using standard form, which is what we have. I'm going to find the intercepts. If you recall how to find the intercepts, we say 0 for y, and let me just write the equation here, just write on the equation. 0 for y means that part will go out, and we will find the x-intercept by having the equation negative 4x equals 8. Okay? And if we wanted to put in 0 for x to find the y-intercept, that part would cross out and we would get negative 2y equals 8. Negative 2y equals 8. And so I'm going to do that, and we're going to say, well, okay, then what do we get for the intercepts? So divide both sides by negative 4. And we get an x-intercept of, this simplifies to negative 2. So we should be hitting the x-axis at negative 2. Likewise, if we divide by negative 2 for each one, we get y equals negative 4. We should be hitting the y-axis at negative 4. So which point hits the x-axis at negative 2? And not this one. This one does. This one does. This one not. And the y-axis at negative 4. Well, this one does, but that's already eliminated. This one does, great. This one, nope, doesn't cross the y-axis at negative 4. And this one either, actually. It's already been eliminated, but it also crosses that 4. That means that the only one that's got the proper intercepts, x equals negative 2, right there, and y equals negative 4, right there. That's the only one that's got the proper intercepts. And so the answer is B, right here.